Hi everyone, it's Maite from Mandalablue Yoga. I very quickly wanted to let you know about 5 new things happening. The first one is Mandalablue, our shala is closing for a few months. It's a little bit undefined yet. So this is why I want to keep in contact with you as much as I can through this media that we have, the email and also our YouTube channel and the social media. And the second thing that is happening is that I will be in Europe for a few months from March to the end of September. So if it happens that you're around, you want me to organize any workshop in your studio, I know that some of my students are also yoga teachers. So just let's group people, and I'm very happy to teach what I know and to share what I know. The third thing is that I will be mostly located in the south of Spain, in Cadiz. There is a website, Spanish website, mandalablueyoga.es, so please check it out. And if it happens that you are there during the spring, summer in Europe, I will be delighted to see you again. The fourth thing is that there are 2 beautiful retreats happening. I'm very happy to have put this together. I'm combining my 2 major passions, which is the ocean and yoga. So please check mandalablueyoga.com for the information about these retreats. They are very flexible for all budgets. You can stay as long as you want. Check it online. And the fifth thing, please add me to your email contact so you can benefit from the freebies that I'm going to share with you in order to support your meditation, pranayama and asana practice. I will keep in touch. Namaste.